The city of Brighton is working on changes that could open the door for more housing in the backyards of existing homes.
Denver 7's Daniel Kreuter has the latest on upcoming accessory dwelling unit permitting that could streamline this process, aimed at making it easier, faster, and cheaper to build ADUs. And
Daniel's breaking down what's new and the solutions it could provide to affordable housing here in Colorado.
When we started back in 2008, ADU wasn't even a thing.
Studio Shed in Louisville has seen firsthand as homeowners across the country have slowly started wanting more access to accessory dwelling units, or ADUs.
We've seen the climate become far more favorable for the construction of ADUs. Especially in the state of Colorado.
In recent years, laws here have changed, cutting the red tape for ADUs and even requiring most communities to allow them. The state has also offered financial incentives to local governments that want to make it an easier option for homeowners.
We were recently awarded a grant that will help us to continue the conversation as to how we can impact affordable housing through ADUs.
The city of Brighton is using the $38,000 grant to pre-design ADUs for homeowners to choose from, essentially skipping most of the back and forth of a permitting process.
If we have set designs where we've already approved them, we've cut that out. It also cuts out a lot of the cost as well. You're looking at potentially a savings of roughly $20,000 per ADU when you're considering the engineering costs and the architectural costs that might go into a traditional process.
The city is hoping to come up with a handful of pre-approved options by the end of 2026. Homeowners would still have the option to design their own if that's their preference.
This is just one part of the ADU puzzle. By doing this again, it allows us to move faster.
I think pre-approved plans are great. I think anything that municipalities can do to help ease the construction of ADUs, we need to look at all of it.
Mike Koenig says he hopes as communities like Brighton work on different solutions to make it easier to put in an ADU, that they consider other hurdles in the planning process too.
There's still a lot more that needs to happen at the building department to include the foundation review, seismic, parking, transportation, all these things.
I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
The next cycle for Colorado ADU grants opens up February 2nd. Danielle is Denver 7's affordable housing reporter. She'll be checking in with all the other local communities that have received grants to see how they're spending the money. Now, if you have questions for Danielle about this process or a story idea maybe you want to pitch to her, send her a message, danielle.kreuter@denver7.com.